Wanna know something crazy? Over 100,000 plus people are successfully generating an online income with ClickBank, and they all have one thing in common. This one thing is the secret to their success is being revealed by ClickBank themselves for free right now in this video. This video went to the masses, so make sure to watch it ASAP before it's taken down. Trust me here. If you're like many internet marketers, you can't help drooling when you peruse the famous and quite addictive ClickBank marketplace. From just the front page of the marketplace, ClickBank's clients will earn close to $100 million this year. As you click from page to page, your eyes get wider and wider, your heart starts pounding. And your jaw drops to the floor when you start to see the incredible popularity, the gravity, all those product pitch pages. All those products are making someone money. Making someone rich. Someone maybe, yes. But unfortunately, most likely not you. Quietly under your breath, you make a vow to yourself. Someday I'm going to be in the ClickBank marketplace with thousands of people promoting me. But how? In the past, ClickBank marketing success has been a hit-and-miss proposition. Not anymore. Fortunately today, I have the answer. ClickBank University 2.0 is now open. It just opened to the mass public, so make sure to enroll ASAP to secure your spot. ClickBank University is the only learning environment that trains you exclusively in becoming a successful ClickBank marketer by ClickBank themselves. That's a very worthy, not to mention worthwhile, goal. Whether that's as a successful ClickBank product vendor or as a ClickBank affiliate earner, ClickBank University gives you the training, the blueprints, the roadmaps, and the latest methods to reach your goals as a successful ClickBank marketer. I think you'll discover with the right ClickBank-oriented training, your online income goals are not just achievable. They're easily reachable through a daily action plan all laid out for you. Look at it this way: thousands of people have gone before you. Now it's your turn to get earning in the ClickBank marketplace. And it all starts when you enroll in ClickBank University. If there was one job, one profession that could set you financially free, I believe affiliate marketing would have to be it. It doesn't discriminate against age, race, or gender. It doesn't care who your parents were, your previous experience, or whether you went to college or not. It doesn't require you to be a people person or to dress to impress. It doesn't care about anything that would concern normal employers. So if all that's true, why aren't more people succeeding online? There are many reasons obviously, but there is one ugly truth that holds more people back than anything else I know of. They just don't know how. It's not that people don't have access to how-to information. It's that for whatever the reason, it usually doesn't work as stated. Almost every affiliate marketer I know has had the experience of buying an affiliate marketing information product, perhaps spending thousands on it, and then discovering it doesn't work. ClickBank knows its success rests on the shoulders of its affiliate marketers. That's why they decided to create an affiliate training program that people can rely on. They call it ClickBank University 2.0. It's unlike anything else that's out there for one reason. It works. The program, from the company whose name is synonymous with affiliate marketing, is based upon proven strategies, principles, and tactics used by thousands of ClickBank marketers and affiliates. It's important to appreciate how much this program means to ClickBank. It's win-win. The better you're trained, the more commissions you make and the bigger checks they send you. It's as simple as that. They want their affiliate marketers knowing the most effective online methods, so your time and efforts are handsomely rewarded. I believe with the right training, income-wise, the sky's the limit. I encourage you, especially if success has been elusive, to check out ClickBank University v2.0 before this offer is gone. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be hit and miss. Let their faculty, ClickBank affiliate marketers who have consistently made 7 and 8 figures themselves, show you the way. What's even better, is the ClickBank secret comes from the most trustworthy source there is. ClickBank itself, but hurry, I don't know how long this launch video will stay up. Hopefully you can get in on time and grab a slice of that ever-growing billion-dollar pie over at ClickBank. I highly recommend you take action on this before it's gone. Talk soon. Click the link below this video to watch the video and start earning big bucks on a daily basis on autopilot today.